Painting projects can range from quick furniture refreshes to full exterior house programs, and choosing the right sprayer dramatically affects speed, finish quality, and material usage. This comparison evaluates 5 Wagner spray systems that cover a spectrum from handheld HVLP to high-efficiency airless configurations, with prices spanning from budget to premium. Our methodology combined manufacturer specifications.
List number 1. Spraytech 2435698 Control Pro 130 Paint Sprayer with T2 Gun. The Control Pro 130 Power Tank is Wagner's gas or electric-powered gravity-fed airless sprayer designed for high-output jobs. It ships with a T2 gun and HEA technology aimed at reducing overspray by up to 55% while delivering a 3x faster application rate than rollers on exterior surfaces and large decks. The 1.5-gallon hopper and 25-foot hose enable continuous painting for sizable projects, and the system is compatible with a range of unthinned coatings. Our initial assessment highlights its strong productivity and overspray control as standout advantages for pro-level exterior work. Performance-wise, the HEA high-efficiency airless platform enhances control and finish quality on bulk materials due to a softer spray cadence. With a maximum pressure up to 1600 psi and a 25-foot hose, you can cover large areas with fewer reapplications. The gravity-fed hopper minimizes priming mess and reduces downtime between reloads, though the setup is heavier and requires more space than handheld options. Best use cases include exterior siding, decks, and large interior spaces where speed and reduced overspray are critical. Users should expect a learning curve on tip selection, for example, 413 or 515 tips, and working distance to optimize spray fan patterns.
List number 2. Spraytech 024-19307 Flexio 595 Handheld HVLP Paint Sprayer. The Flexio 595 is a versatile handheld HVLP sprayer designed for a broad range of projects, from walls and ceilings to cabinetry and trim. It offers 2 nozzle options, eye spray for larger surfaces, and detail finish for finer work, 9 speed settings, adjustable paint flow, and a lightweight build. The 1.5 quart capacity and compact footprint make it convenient for DIYers and medium-scale jobs, particularly where mobility and precision matter. Performance-wise, unthinned interior and exterior paints are deliverable thanks to the X-Boost turbine, which enables faster coverage than traditional HVLP kits. The dual nozzle capability supports both rough and finish work, while the 9 speed settings provide granular control over material flow and fan width. Use cases lean toward interior walls, furniture refinishing, and exterior siding, where moderate coverage and a smooth finish are prioritized over raw speed. Ergonomics and cleanup are strong points, though the handheld form factor may struggle with very thick materials or large deck staining without refills.
List number 3 is the Spraytech 2467899 Control Pro 130 Power Tank Paint Sprayer Kit. This kit builds on the Control Pro 130 platform with a pair of tips, 515 for latex and 413-311 range usage to broaden capability for large projects. Like the 2435698, it emphasizes HEA technology for overspray reduction and a gravity-fed hopper to speed priming and cleanup. The inclusion of 2 tips increases flexibility for varied coatings, including latex and stains, making it a strong choice for professionals or serious DIYers tackling decks, siding, and big interior walls. In practice, the 300-inch hose, or 25 feet, and 1.5-gallon hopper maintain the same advantages as the base Pro 130. The additional 515 and 311 tips broaden material compatibility and spray patterns, enabling more precise control over thick coatings and fine finishes. The trade-offs include the need for careful tip maintenance and potential cost of additional accessories. The device remains portable for an airless setup, but the overall footprint and maintenance demand are higher than handheld HVLP kits.
List number 4. Spraytech 0529011 Flexio 570 Handheld HVLP Paint Sprayer. The Flexio 570 is a compact, handheld HVLP sprayer designed for a broad range of household tasks, including walls, ceilings, fences, and exterior siding. It features the iSpray nozzle for efficient wide area coverage and adjustable pattern width and direction. This model emphasizes ease of use, lower material usage due to HVLP, and a reasonable price point for DIY projects. Performance-wise, the 570 benefits from the X-Boost turbine powering unthinned paints, with the 2-speed setting to balance coverage and finish quality. Its design prioritizes comfort and cleanup, making it a practical choice for homeowners tackling frequent touch-ups or smaller renovation tasks. Limitations include less aggressive throughput compared with airless sprayers and capacity constraints for very large jobs, which may require more frequent refills and longer overall project times.
List number 5. Spraytech 05-180-80 Control Spray Max. The Control Spray Max is an HVLP stationary unit designed for fine finishes on doors, trim, furniture, and surfaces requiring a smooth, controlled spray. It emphasizes adjustable flow and a broad nozzle selection with a 20-foot hose to reduce fatigue and improve reach. The combination of a metal and plastic build aims to balance durability with portability, appealing to DIYers who need a dedicated spray station for ongoing projects. Performance-wise, the unit provides a strong and controlled spray with adjustable pressure up to 2.63 psi and a 20-foot hose, which helps cover walls and furniture with less bounce and overspray. The extensive accessory lineup, metal cup, plastic cup, and 3 spray patterns through adjustable air cap deliver versatility in a stationary setting. The main caveat is that as a corded HVLP system, throughput will be slower than airless options for large exterior areas, and the 1.5-quart tank may necessitate frequent refills on bigger jobs.